Good morning and happy birthday. Oh, that didn't work out so well. I wanted to have a golden pig on my shoulder and it fell. I was gonna say good morning from the pepperoni and macaroni and cheese kingdom. My name is Papa Cleb and today I'm gonna be picking up my girl Bailey from her first surgery. And I'm really nervous, I'm really excited. I'm excited to see her. She's been gone for an entire day and I've been losing my mind. I haven't known what to do. Like I keep seeing her toys, this is where she always lays. And I don't know, I've just been losing my mind, man. Like what am I supposed to do without Bailey? That's just like I just hang out with Bailey all day, we do stuff. So what happened with Bailey was 2 weeks ago at the dog park, there was two dogs fighting each other. And they were kind of moving as they were fighting and they were getting closer and closer to Bailey. And eventually they just ran into Bailey and kind of like sucked her into this ball of fighting. And so Bailey started, she wasn't really fighting, but they were all just kind of going like, anyway, so right after the fight was over, Bailey started limping. And ever since then, it was just like a really bad limp. She wasn't even using her back leg at all. It was just always elevated. And so I took her to the vet, and the vet told me that she had a ruptured cruciate ligament, which is basically like a torn ACL. And with the surgery, there would be a 97% chance that she will be back to normal within 10 or so weeks from now. So I had to do it. I'm gonna go pick her up now. I don't know how she's gonna be, but she's been there overnight and I gotta go get her. They said I can get her, I gotta go get the bales, let's go. All right, I'm here. I'm going to get the bales. I'm kind of worried about it, but I'm sure she'll be fine. I don't know. I was supposed to come in at 8 and I was busy this morning sleeping and I didn't wake up at 8. So now I'm here at 11. It's okay, Bales. I'm sorry, but I'm going to come get you right now. Let's go. All right. So this is an x-ray of Bailey's leg. Check it out. It's got like nails and stuff through it. And that's the metal plate that they had to attach to her bone to keep it in place.
So the bandage on her front leg is just where her IV catheter was. That can come off in about an hour.
Hi, Mrs. Bales. How are you? Oh, I'm so sorry. I know. She does not look very comfortable. It's gonna be okay. You gotta lay down though, honey. All right, I'm gonna go talk to her inside the car. Do you want a treat? I brought you some treats. Yeah, you want a treat. Yeah, good girl. You want another one? There you go. Yeah, you're a sweet girl. She seems like she's in a lot of pain. She's been whining, which is really sad. So I'm not gonna sit here and record her. I'm gonna try and get her home, and I'll give you an update when I get there. All right, Bales. Oh, poor Bales. Oh, you got your tongue sticking out. You got the tongue. Bales, we're gonna go for a little walk, and then we're gonna bring you inside. You're gonna go to sleep, okay? First, I gotta pick you up and get you out of here. All right, so this just feels kind of pathetic, but this is how I'm supposed to walk her for at least the first couple days. And I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm supposed to walk her with this sling. I don't know. Come on, Bess. You gotta go for the walk. All right, you know what? I'm just not gonna record this because this isn't very fun for her. So I'll see you once she's going potty and we get on inside. Okay, so I just wanted to update you. I've decided to go with the no leash option. And I can't do this sling thing right now. I don't understand it. And she's still got her good leg, which is how she was walking before. So I'm just gonna let her go, and then I'm gonna bring her right inside. And I think she's going pee right now. How you feeling, Bales? Looks like you're doing a lot better. She's still got the square in her butt, but it's been about 8 weeks. 8 weeks since she's got her surgery and she's doing a lot better. Check it out, she can walk now. She's putting all the weight on the back leg. It's good stuff, good progress. So she went to the vet yesterday and the vet said that she was completely good and she got cleared to begin a normal life again. She can start walking around, doing stuff, going to the beach. And so I'm excited about that. We're gonna start doing some more stuff with the Bales. But I gotta say, man, it wasn't an easy 8 weeks. She was stuck in her crate all day. She couldn't move around, and I'm sure she is just as happy as I am to get to come out now and walk around and go downstairs and do all the normal stuff that she used to do. And hopefully we don't have any more problems. Hopefully her other leg doesn't go out because it is inflamed and at risk. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna try and take it as easy as we can, but we are gonna start doing some stuff again, gaining some strength back in that bad leg. And I'm excited, but we have to go to the post office, so I'll see you there. All right, so we are at the judicial post office, and we're gonna go get some letters from the inside because I said on the Cleb video, and this person parked so poorly that they're gonna make me park like a Prius. Look at him. Look at them. See them? They're in my spot. So now I got to be in this spot, and I'm just a typical Prius now. And it's not even the Prius's fault. That goes to show every time you see a Prius doing something stupid, it's not even our fault, man. I gotta go, okay? I'll see you in 16 years after I get my mail, because there's probably gonna be a line in there, and you might be dead, but guess what? At least you have this. I'm back. You don't look 20 years older than me. Why didn't you eat this? You were supposed to eat it. Eat it. I'm so excited because I said on the Kleb channel that I was gonna start opening letters on the Papa Kleb channel, because, you know, letters are just kind of like, they're a little too boring for the Kleb channel's, you know, hefty steedness. And so our first letter is from Chase Banking, and they're saying that they're gonna give me $300 and then another $200 or $200. I get $500 for both, man. They're gonna give me $500 if I just switch to them right now, and then plus I get the Chase Online bill pay and access to 16,000 ATMs. 16,000. You see that? That's a crazy amount of ATMs, man. I've never even seen that many ATMs in my entire life. And our second piece of mail comes from Community Services, and we got all these little kids just holding hands. Look at them, they're so happy. They're going out to recess, and it's a tobacco-free zone. Because guess what? We don't want tobacco polluting our youth in our schools. And, you know, that's something that I've just stood by for the past 35 years. And, you know, it's just something I'll always stand by in my lifetime. So we got to register now to get the tobacco out of the schools. And then we got Mr. B. Gary. He's number 263. He's a wrestling champion extraordinaire. And then look at these little guys. They're so tiny, they're so short, and they're just playing the soccer ball. The soccer balls are almost as big as their heads. Actually, it's a little bit bigger if you use the diameter method. And then look at this guy. He's got the beautiful beard. Look at it. That is the best beard. You know, I'm so happy that these people sent me this magazine, because I've always wanted to see a beard of that magnitude. Yep, blah, 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 blah. Sincerely, the Kindergarten Connection Center. Well, hey, thank you so much, Mr. Kindergarten Connection Center, and I will be sure to also eat this as well. You know, just for you, I'll take a bite right now. Ah, wow. I gotta say, I didn't like it as much as the Chase one, but it's still pretty good. Thank you. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. My name has been Papa Kleb, and it won't be tomorrow, but I am very full. We want to personally thank everyone who sent us in some transjudicial mail. It was so tasty. Look at it all. It's down there. And it's just so nice, and it's an honor when people send me in personal mail, just basically for me to eat and snack on during these tough times when my stomach is really empty. And so I really appreciate that. And we got this dump truck in front of me. Look at him. He's just taking up so much. He's going 29 miles an hour in a 55. Unbelievable, Papa Jeffrey. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.